Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to change error bar and bar color in Excel chart. Firstly, click the chart and double click the chart. Add chart elements. Select error bars. Click here. Then standard error bars percentage standard deviation. Division. Then I select example standard and click the standard bar, right click mouse, outline, select color. Example I select red, black, and right click mouse, outline, color this blue, and change bar color. Then select bar, right click mouse, go to fill options. You select your own color. Example I select green. Right click mouse, highlight green. Then right click mouse, fill color, select red. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.